Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Sufa English High School. Today we will see our last chapter, degree. We had discussed about degree, okay, and we all know that how many types of degree. There are three types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, we can easily convert positive degree into comparative and comparative degree in positive, but in which case there are only two main person. Okay, when there are two things are mentioned in the sentence, so we have option to convert it in positive to comparative into positive. Okay, and today we will see superlative degree. Okay, how we can use superlative degree and how we can convert in comparative and in positive. So let us start to learn it. We all know that in positive degree we use only as, okay, and in comparative degree we will use more and with er and immediately than. Okay, in superlative degree we will use est, but first we will use the and after est and the most. Okay, in some sentence, in some adjective we didn't use est, so instead of est we will use most for showing superlative degree. Okay, most is used in superlative degree only and more is used in comparative degrees only. Okay, so let's understand to this topic. First, the sentence is Ambani is the richest person in India. So in this sentence, boys and girls, I compare Ambani, the person of India, all person of India, and we all know that how many thousand of people live in India. Okay, so I compare Ambani with all Indians people. Okay, in this sentence there are no use I two person. It is a superlative degree. How it is superlative degree here? I use the and est. Okay, so we have option to convert this degree in positive and in comparative. Okay, superlative degree can be converted in comparative and positive. So first we will convert it in comparative. Okay, how we will convert it? Let's start to understand it. Ambani is the richest person in India. So the comparative degree is Ambani is. I will remove the. Why? Because the is used in only superlative degree. In comparative degree there is no place for use of the. Okay, so I will remove the. Ambani is. Okay, so rich. I will remove est. Instead of est I will use er. Okay, and immediately er I will use than. So we are converting this degree from superlative degree. So when in the case of superlative degree, if you are making the sentence from superlative degree, so you will use you have to use there any other can be used in only from superlative degree into other degree. Okay, means comparative degree. In comparative degree we will use any other. Okay, so Ambani is richer than any other person in India. Okay, so this is a comparative degree. Ambani is richer than any other person in India. If you can convert in positive degree, how you can convert it? So first of all, if we are converting the degree in positive from superlative degree from comparative degree, so how can? So first of all, you should be use no other. Who no other? Person. This portion we have to be used at the first in positive degree only. No other person in India is rich. So before rich we will use as rich as Ambani. Okay, no other person in India is as rich as Ambani. So from superior degree we can convert in positive comparative degree and in superior degree. I hope do you understand. So we will use one more example. See, Akola is the hottest city in Maharashtra. Akola is the hottest city in Maharashtra. So Akola is very hottest city. Where in Maharashtra? In Maharashtra there are many cities. So I compare Akola with the Maharashtrian cities. Okay, so this is superior degree. How we can identify? Because here you use the and est. If we are using the and est, so it is called superior degree. So we have option to convert this superior degree in comparative in positive. So there is a formula to be changed in comparative degree. How we can convert this degree in superlative means in comparative? Let's see. Comparative degree. So first of all we have to write Akola is the, we will remove it, est we will remove it, and what types of word can be used in comparative? You know, more is used when more than 3 syllables, means 2 syllable. More than 3 syllable used in adjective, there we will use more. But when there is only 2 syllable, so we will use their er. Okay, so hot, there are only 2 syllable, so we will use er with hot. Akola is hotter. Akola is hotter, and after I will use than. Okay, and after then I will use here any other. Why? Because this sentence is making from superior degree. Okay, when you are making the sentence from superior degree, you will use there any other, and remaining portion city in Maharashtra. Okay, boys and girls. And if someone give task to us, convert this both sentence in positive. Both the sentence we can convert in positive. How? In positive degree, if the sentence are given like that and like that, so we will use positive degree starting from no other city in Maharashtra. From here, no other city, this portion, no other city in Maharashtra. Okay, so no other city in Maharashtra is, and after is we will use adjective, but in positive degree we will use adjective with the help of as. So here I will use as, hot as, remaining name Akola. Okay, boys and girls, do you understand it? Akola is the hottest city in Maharashtra. Akola is hotter than any other city in Maharashtra. No other city in Maharashtra is as hot as Akola. So boys and girls, we have a knowledge to convert. If the superior degree is given, so you can easily convert superior degree into comparative and in positive. How? You can see. Okay, this sentence. So copy all that sentence which I elaborate on the board in your notebook, boys and girls. If you have any doubt, any query, you may contact me in WhatsApp. I will solve your video inshallah. I will solve your doubt inshallah. Okay, yet then assalamu alaikum.